Hi, Nalin.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So, Nalin, let's hear from you. You have got lots to say. I'm sure the kind of journey, in fact, we all faculty members have been inspired also. I would say that the relentless questions, the doubts, the questions and all, so many things. So it's like, and the humility. One thing which all of us would unanimously say is Nalin's humility, the way he asked questions, and you didn't miss any classes. I remember workshop or anywhere where you already know the answers and all. Still, he was one student who would still stay there and try solving. What if I don't get it? So that is one trait which is like, always there, ready to learn. There is some space more. I can get something more. So can you just elaborate the whole journey right from 11 to 12? And I would also want your father to join. And
He's right here. I'll just tilt the camera a little. Both my parents are right here. So
yes. Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am. Congratulations.
Namaskar, sir. Namaskar, ma'am.
hello, Deepak. How are you?
So so Nalin, you can start and then we can have some comments from your parents also, like, how you treated them and you during this law preparation and all. So we'll have everything, all secrets coming out. So we can start with you.
Yes, ma'am. So initially, ma'am, I heard of this the program in law. I was not aware of it in 11th. So I think at that point of time, Rona Aurora was there. So and his mother is actually my mother's colleague in the hospital. So through that, I think I got to know about law as a career, especially after 12th itself. So and then after we did a little bit of research, we deliberated a lot whether because this was not a career in which first of all we didn't even know about it, and then there was no one from our family who did it. All my family, they're from the science stream, whether it be medical or non-medical. So I think from that point of time, then we discussed a lot whether it was because it was a big decision to take. So that point of time, I think law was a career which I was interested in rather than engineering and medical. So after that, I think we contacted CL itself. We talked to Deepak sir, and at that point of time, then we joined Career Launcher in 11th itself with a 2-year program. And then after that, we just yes, I think the class has started and all of that. And then after 11th, the pattern change itself. So there's a lot of things which happened after 11th. I think Deepak sir, he also told us that the pattern is expected to change at that point of time.
Okay, Nalin, your mock analysis, that is something which we share with our future students also. So you, after every mock, there is that beautiful analysis. Can you elaborate on that? Like how much time you spent after that mock? Because after every mock, we all teachers, we used to see that analysis where you have mentioned each question with a comment and all. So just elaborate on that, please.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, for the mock analysis, I think this is from Niyati, ma'am, because she had guided me regarding this, how to do a question-wise analysis. So usually the mock is of 2 hours. So after that, it takes around 3 to 4 hours to do analysis. So I think that is pretty important. It takes double the time, but it does give returns in long term. So in the mock analysis, what you're supposed to do, according to me, what I did was that question by question, you are supposed to go and then you're supposed to make a table, go by question wise and the subject wise, and then especially the wrong answers, you're supposed to write down the reason of why you got that question wrong. Was it a question you were not familiar with, or was it a silly mistake, or was it something that you couldn't attempt at that point of time in the paper because of the time shortage? And then after that, yes, and even the correct answers, because sometimes you found that even you had a different sense of thinking in the paper, and the examiner, the reason which he gives for his answer is different. So you're supposed to properly analyze. It does take a lot of time, but and then I think when over a period of 5 to 6 mocks, when you look at all the similarities or the mistakes you've done in each mock, then you figure out that this is the question type which I'm not getting, or this is the question time which I'm getting wrong a lot. For example, I had a lot of problem in inference questions. So that was a problem. Then I worked upon it. There were also problems legal a lot in the beginning, but then I took doubt sessions with Niyati ma'am, and then I worked on those mistakes. I think in maths also there was a big problem of that tension and all of that, and that the mentality of going from from writing down each and every step to then applying some tricks as to how to get the answer in a very short period of time. So I think it does take time a lot, but then it helps when you after a certain period of time, it does help.
Okay. And sir and ma'am, we would love to hear from you. What was your experience? Because it's like family goes through the whole process. It's not an easy. So we would love to hear your experience.
And top of it, I will say, I remember sir and ma'am coming in. Ma'am is also a doctor. She said, Deepak, hame kuch nahi pata. We are not from this field. What do we do now? You know, so how's this feeling, ma'am?
Yes, agreed. A very brief encounter or conversation with you. The first time we met in Career Launcher, you were very convincing. You were the one we had doubts about, not about his like how he would perform or how he would excel, because he was basically a hardworking person, very dedicated. Rather, he had to be taken off the table and off the chair to relax and de-stress. As you would agree, during these 2 years, you also found out the same thing about him. But
Yeah.
you were very convincing, and you gave us an assurance that all his edges would be polished to the perfection by the end of 2 years. And I totally agree. And I'm very thankful to you, especially you in the first interaction. Later on, I didn't have a chance to meet you. But Shilpa ma'am, you were like his ultimate, like, you know, the pedestal. You were always there high up. For every silly thing, every hard thing, every difficult thing, every big thing, you were always there. So big thanks to you, because I think he found an outlet in you for all his frustrations, for all his depressions after mock, and he's one child. If he scores 110 in one mock or 120 in one mock, and right after that scoring 75 in the other mock, so he was one person who would go deep down. So, and you were very well aware of it. So, and he would, you know, instantly resort to talking to you. And you were a big help in bringing him out from the deep lows and keeping his morale high. And I think people have contributed a lot in his performance. Though a big chunk of the credit also goes to him, I would not miss that. That he has been very, very hardworking, very hardworking. And like he scored equally well in his board exams also with 98%. So like I have no doubts about his excellence or his future also. But with all your blessings, he's done pretty well. I'm really thankful.
Ma'am, I will just say, Nalin, day one when you walked in, he's always humble, down to earth, and stable head guy. So
Yeah.
उस दिन से ही clear है कि मतलब somebody who's just focusing on his work. That's where, you know, I think possibly Niyati can share some more insights there. You know,
Yes, I was waiting to jump in right now because Nalin has been I don't have the right word, but I am so very proud of him. In fact, it's an open secret now. It's between Nalin and me, but Nalin is going to my dream college. He's going to Jodhpur, and I always wanted to go to Jodhpur. I had very nearly missed Jodhpur through a very small margin, so I know how it feels. So I'm so proud of that. A few things that I want everybody else to know about Nalin's journey is, one, I would say when he started off, he was all over the place. And that's what all other students as of now who are aspiring to give the examination next year are also. What is the trick that Nalin was able to master was the fact to bring himself into a direction and walk in that direction. And just a little longer, I will take. Nalin, please talk about that one full day break that I told you to
Yes,
take
ma'am.
10 days before the examination.
It was mandatory for him. It was mandatory. He was going bonkers with that studies.
Yes,
And I wanted to ask sir also. 11th mein he used to ask कि बेटे को देख लेना, आप समझा देना and all. 12th mein he didn't call us at all. So, you know, where was he in class 12? So that's my question to sir. 11th mein तो phone करते थे. 12th mein तो आप भूल गए.
Well, I'll come to your question later, but before that, I'll briefly talk about his journey with your institution and our exposure to the law, the field of law. I recall very distinctly when we had gone to the office. Mr. Madan was there. I am seeing you for the first time. after 2 years period. But Mr. Madan, I remember because I asked him, law is, it's a different ball game. Would it be convenient? Because for us, it's either engineering or medicine. We can't see beyond that. We are very myopic in our approach. And I also recall when I passed out from my school in Delhi, I wanted to do law. And my father told me then in the mid 80s that if you want to do law, you can do, I'll pay for your fees. But for next 10 years, don't come back and ask money from me. I don't have that much of budget to sustain you because law used to be that. So when I was in Chennai when Nalin said ki I want to do law, he was in science stream in the school. And I was a bit taken aback. I said something must have gone, But in the process, I interacted with Vice Chancellor of NAL sir and also Bangalore, Mr. Rao and Faizan Mustafa Saab.
Oh,
And I gathered the sense how the law has progressed over a period of time and what are the various avenues which are available. So I think the 11th was the period, I come back to your question now, where I felt that he needs some kind of grooming and he should not lose his confidence. That, law is a tricky subject. Sometimes, it doesn't fit your taste. And then suddenly in between you say, I want to quit. Then it becomes difficult. And he's in that sense, in that context, he's a bit mercurial in that context. He's consistent, he's hardworking, focused, but we felt that, it should not happen that after a point in time, he says, no, it's enough of law, I want to go back or do something else. And during that period, in fact, I had been talking to you and Mr. Madan, you being my elder son's alumni from NIT Calicut has been, I told you that day, I envied you also because he always kept you above us. So whenever there was some doubt and I would tell him, his mother would tell him, he would say, okay, I've listened to your argument, but I'll talk to my teachers. So in that sense, I think the Career Launcher has been a very good platform where a child gets a chance to open up and interact, especially with the faculties as also with the peer group. And I think if in case some of the students also are listening to it, I would say that hard work matters a lot.
yes.
Focused, intelligent, hard work. There is no other escape. It's only way that you can do it. And as far as his marks were concerned, because I was seeing his performance all along,
Mm-hmm.
my guess after he took the test, CLAT, I told him I would guess that you should get into first 200, seeing your mock performance.
Mm-hmm.
But then, when often I used to tell you, said, sir, he should not lose in between the pace. And eventually he landed here. No issues about the rank or otherwise, because law itself is a very long journey. So, but going by the performance of student, one can make a very fairly reasonable guess about the outcome where the person is going or is heading to. And I still believe that it's only a beginning because the entrance examination only talks about the aptitude that a child has. But the aptitude to be put in practice, the understanding of law and the broader context of understanding the social justice is very important. I think it's a long journey he would enjoy, I'm sure. But more than that, I would like to also say thanks to Mr. Deepak Madan. I remember when we had gone to his room and I said, we are law-wise, we are at the basics. So, but then I told him, I said, at least I can tell one thing that he will be an asset to your institution. Beyond that, I was not very sure about the outcome. And I think his teachers were very good. I think he had very strong fancy for them. So 12th was like, for me, it was no interference. I realized my pitfalls that if I guide him, probably he gets misguided rather than getting proper guidance. So his teachers, he is in a good cocoon where he can be nourished well and taken care of. Thank you very much once again to all of you. It's all your hard efforts, hard work. And those of you, those students who are there, I think they should make a mark. If they believe that they have to stand out in the crowd, they have to work very hard, very focused. And the best way is to look for your shortcomings. Build on the shortcomings, build on your mistakes, and then move on. That's it. I think it's quite a long monologue.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for such kind words. And let me say, hard work to Nalin ka ye, baki sab to support hai. And effort to bachche karte hain. So we only give them directions. That's something which is there. And one thing which I can pick up from the complete conversation you said, I think, which is a learning for all students who are attending this webinar, is the hard work. You know, there is no substitute to hard work. However intelligent you might be, it is the hard work at the end which is important, and it pays off, right? So I will like to invite Nalin, just stay there. We will have some questions. Students also want to ask some queries, possibly parents can, you know, in case they are busy, they can move, but I would like you to be there.
Excuse me.
The second student now, the second student is now Akshat Joel, and I will request Niyati ma'am, you know, to have the start the discussion with Akshat. Akshat, again, a very sincere kid, parents, father and mother walked in, and we had a similar conversation. Mother is, father, Papa bilkul thande hain, chill. Father was working with IIM Indore, so he has seen that kind of a corporate life. Mama bada tension mein thi ki mere bete ka kya hoga, and mom is also there. I can see that she is smiling, and I can see all that happiness on her face. So you know, so the debate between which college to choose, which program, and things like that have happened. So you know, over to you, Niyati and Akshat. The floor is yours.
So Akshat, congratulations. I am so glad. Okay, so let me just start off with a little understanding of Akshat and me. So we met him when we were in 11th, and I walked in and I was all so pissed off with these students walking in late, but Mr. Akshat was sitting in the first row, happily sitting in the corner there, and he was all very smart. So Akshat's answers used to be, it depends. Okay. And then I started asking him, tell me, what does it depend on? You know, you can't just tell me it depends. You tell me what it depends on. And then he started thinking, okay. So Akshat was very competitive from the beginning. He wanted to be the first. He used to make sure that his class test, his topic test, everything was always, he was the topper. So Akshat, tell us something a little bit about your journey from first day in 11th standard till today. You now with a good college, you are settled, all your hard work has paid off. So tell me, how is it?
First of all, thank you, ma'am, for your kind words. I would say, I think, like right from the first day, I was very comfortable with the center and with the faculty. Right, I had the good fortune of working with a lot of good faculty members, so they made me feel really comfortable right from the start. I was told by a lot of people that taking PCM is a massive disadvantage or it's going to distract you or something. So I think this is something special which I wanted to put out there for everyone else. Yeah. It doesn't matter what stream you pick. If you're like set on like the CLAT is what I want to do, you can do no matter what stream you have. So I thought I just put that out there. There's no compulsion that you have to go into engineering with PCM. Other than that, I would say there was really like all-nighters, like the guy before me, Nalin, we were speaking about. There was more a diligent, laid-back effort for me. Something special that I want to say is make sure you fill in the OMRs, right? I lost 4 marks in the CLAT exam filling the OMR incorrectly. So yeah, make sure you practice that. I think that was a big regret.
So Nalin, sorry, I'm sorry. Akshat, tell me something about how did you strategize yourself with your mocks? What way? See, you were always decent. You had your strength. You knew what your strengths were. You knew what your weaknesses were. It didn't take you a longer journey. For everybody's benefit, let me also just pitch in the fact of study buddies that we are promoting so much right now. I had scheduled a session between Akshat and Nalin. So the thing between Akshat and Nalin was what Akshat was good at, Nalin was lacking, and vice versa. So immediately I found that and I got them together, and it was such a fruitful session. Do you guys remember how we had that one session where Akshat would tell Nalin, don't go to level 10, stay at level 1. This is how you're supposed to hear. And Nalin would be like, no, but you listen to this and try and find out it in this way. So Akshat, talk to us about how you have strategized yourself with your mocks and what were the way you thought you should attempt it. How have you done your deep dive analysis? Give me some insights on that.
So I think first thing I would say is there's a particular order I followed with some minor adjustment. It was that either legal goes first or English goes first, and whichever doesn't go first goes third. I think this is something I got from you, Niyati ma'am. Because what happens is by the end of the paper, you're really exhausted, so you'll be making a lot of errors. Like say what you want, how much stamina you have. In the end, it is a very taxing exam in terms of the reading you have to do. So you can't take these 2 sessions to 4th or 5th. Either you have to go first or third because you need a small break in between. So what I would do was I would go legal first, then I would do GK, and then English, and then quant and logical. I was comfortable in shuffling them. Other than that, I think from every mock, picking out each minor details. Like I think you would be able to give a good 25 minutes around to the analysis. I think that would cover all your shortcomings or where you made mistakes, like what you were thinking, why you made that mistake, and then on our aspiration accounts, we had a plethora of sectional tests and everything. So you could get ample of practice there. In fact, even with the amount of practice I did, I was actually left with some material which I couldn't do.
I will like to say Akshat, Akshat has got All India rank 480, okay, score of 91 in CLAT. But as we are saying, Akshat जो एक point clarify करना चाह रहा था, he lost couple of marks while filling the OMR marks. Questions are marked correctly in the paper, but while he was trying to adapt those marks onto a sheet, onto the OMR sheet, he made mistakes. So questions सही किए हैं, adaptation में गलत हो गई. And let me tell you, all the parents who are attending the session, when his father walked up to me and he was sharing, he was so cool about it. There was no sense of panic or tension. At times, parents take a lot of stress, and they give a lot of stress to in return to kids, which is a very, very important learning which I picked up as a parent myself. So he said, "Koi baat nahi, Deepak, kya ho gaya? 4-5 per number, one, but kid has done well, so don't worry at all." He was very cool, calm. Tension mein tha, पापा बिल्कुल टेंशन में नहीं थे कि अगर 3-4 क्वेश्चन गलत मार्क हो गए. So it was a error by side, but so it was such a good feeling. So as a parent, I think that's a very important thing to learn. That is something which I can say. So Akshat, Joel got All India rank 418 CLAT. I am sorry, I forgot to mention while I was talking about Nalin Agnihotri. Nalin All India rank is 282 in CLAT 2021, right? So okay, so now let me move to the third panelist. I will like to invite Yashasvi on the stage now for the interaction. Yashasvi Kumar, he has scored All India rank 321 in CLAT, and I will request, Navanita ma'am, or possibly if Niyati ma'am is there, I don't think she's there, Navanita ma'am, to ask, to discuss about the journey of Yashasvi and how did he do well. Okay, so over to Yashasvi. Yashasvi, a student of DPS Faridabad, All India rank 321. And I also remember that particular day when Yashasvi walked in along with his father. Yada Yashasvi? So father ke saath mein jab Yashasvi aaye the, and his father also met me outside the CLAT exam, and we had exchanged those thoughts, and father had only one dream, कि sir मेरे बेटे को एक अच्छे law college में जाना है. Very, very simple. Father, I believe sir is working for a law firm and supporting a law firm. So one single dream, I want my son to do law, Is that right, Yashasvi?
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes.
Namaskar, sir. Welcome to this particular session, and I hope जो सपना आपने देखा था अपने बच्चे के लिए वो साकार हुआ है. He has done really well and he has got a good rank. So you would have definitely distributed sweets in your office. One day my kid is also going to come into the space.
नहीं, आप लोगों ने बहुत मदद किया और आपकी वजह से यशस्वी वहाँ पे कैरियर लॉन्चर में किया और बहुत सपोर्ट हुआ. इसी वजह से यशस्वी आज वहाँ पे लॉ के लिए तैयार है और आगे भी वो चलते अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस करेगा. ये हमारा उसके साथ विशेष है.
Very right. So Navanita ma'am, any specific thing you would like to ask Yashasvi about his preparation? How did he prepare, and what are the tips he would like to share?
Yes. Hey, Yashasvi, congratulations. And I really, the name is very different from the usual ones we hear. So yes, I remember the name. And so I also remember Yashasvi with all his questions in the class. Ma'am, why this, why that, why this is not this, why this should not be this, ma'am, this word is written here. So how can we, infer it like this? So all questions related to, again, inference. And yes, he had been very, very participative in the entire class, and he was one of the students who was very prominent in the class. So Yashashvi, so let us know, how has your journey been with CL?
Ma'am, the journey's been spectacular, I say, because in my class 8th or 9th, I decided I will take humanities, arts, and I will do something in it. And then I decided 11 that the law is the best choice, obviously. So when I started, I noticed that the mock scores aren't like very high in the first mocks you attempt, like it's going 60 and 70, and it grows very gradually. Like even after an year, it will just increase by 15, 20, 30 marks. And it's like you always have to put your hope and belief in it, like it will increase, and you have to do the consistent hard work. Because sometimes it's like you have studied a lot, but a mock come which is out of your level, which is difficult. So we can't say like कि अब ऐसा हुआ तो फिर अब नहीं हमसे हो रहा है, ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है. We have to believe in and keep on practicing it, or being very consistent about it. And I say कि छोटी छोटी चीजों से ही बहुत ज्यादा फर्क पड़ जाता है, तो हमें every small चीज के बारे में ध्यान रखना चाहिए. जैसे my friend Akshat says कि about paper and about time management and about every calculations. These like for example, my score was around 94 and I got rank in 300. If my mark was 1 or 2 marks more, it was in 200. And if it was like it is 1 or 2 marks less, then it will be in 400. So the margin is very low, and that's what I say ki small things do matter. And I say that whatever you have make your own strategy. Like our teachers are there, our mentors are there, but do like what suit you to do the best. And like everybody have different strategies, everybody have different ways to study. And what I also understand that other law entrance exam also matter a lot. Like it will give you a systematic pattern, like ऐसे पढ़ना है, ऐसे होगा. आपको एक बार एक practice भी हो जाएगी और एक systematic आप पे pattern भी आ जाएगा. जैसे I learned a lot from when I give LSAT. I got good percentile, 84, 85 in it as well. So I learned that when the resources are not too much, like we have limited paper to study, so we have to take care about each and every mistakes we do. We have to learn from them. We have to note from them. We have to write from them, because writing about that is an important part, because you don't make your mistakes again if you always write about it, like what have you gone wrong in it. As like Clayton is changed, it more of a subjective paper in, let's say, legal or in English. The answer could be different, and it's on basis on reasoning, basically, not on a formula like you do this and you do that. So you always have to keep noting the points. Like in inferences, it's say so word is mentioned in the passage, so you have to check that the next time I don't make the same mistake again. Keep noting things is also important, and the systemization, I say, like always planning about things. Like if I don't do good in this section, then I must get marks in that section. If you don't plan well, then it will really pose problems. So I say planning is a very important part, and executing is also important as well. So I say, and being consistent about it is the key.
Very good, very good. Thank you, Yashasvi. So I think planning, hard work, and consistency, these are three very, very important keywords which are coming up very, very consistently when I talk about, what learning students have to share, with the upcoming students, upcoming aspirants. So we have with us now the next student who like to invite is Aditya Bhatia. Aditya is a student of DPS Faridabad, and he has got All India rank 533 in CLAT. And I will like to invite Aditya. Aditya was studying somewhere in his grade 11th, then moved to Career Launcher in grade 12th, and a boy who's very, very sincere, I will like to say. Ki kya hua? What is your journey? If you can sum it up. Over to you.
Yeah, sir. So first of all, like you said, I wasn't a studious kid at all in the beginning. In even my 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th leading up years, I was into sports. I played cricket and of course the music and my long hair. So I wasn't a typical studious kid. But after 12th, when I joined CL and I started giving some mocks and the lockdown happened, I just kind of had it कि अब तो करना पड़ेगा, अब कोई और option नहीं है. And I just went into my room and I locked myself out. My brother and my father had a joke कि अपने घर में पीजी जैसे रहते हैं, सब खाने के लिए बाहर आते हैं. And I started studying and I know my mom was tense, but I kept reassuring her कि मम्मी टेंशन मत लो, हो जाएगा, कोई इतना दिक्कत नहीं है, कर लूंगा मैं आगे जाके कुछ ना कुछ. And I guess that was just it.
Great, great, great. So Aditya, matlab, based on your preparation thoughts and strategies, will you like to share some inputs? Some mistakes you did. So what will be those important tips you will like to share with the students who are preparing and going to write this exam next year or a year next to that? What are those 2-3 important tips you would like to share with the kids?
Yes, sir. So first of all, CLAT exam is now is a lot of reading based, and since the question paper changed in November 2019, it's a lot of reading based, and you have to read many paragraphs in around 2 hours. So it is very time consuming. So what my strategy was after the pattern change, it was to give as many mocks as I can, and I gave a lot of mocks. I gave around 80 to 90 mocks in total. I guess I gave all of the mocks that were on CL's website. I finished all that mocks. My focus was mocks, and I guess that's what helped me in completing even the CLAT 2021, which was a bit lengthy. We were way before time, giving all that mocks, and I found out that my weakness was logical reasoning. So, thanks to the great faculty at CL, I tried to complete that cover of logical reasoning by improving my scores in legal reasoning, which was my strong part, and maths. And just one more thing, I guess many law students would take the concept of CLAT and law is कि मुझे maths छोड़नी है, इसलिए मैं law में जा रहा हूँ. That's the basic mindset of many of my friends. कि maths नहीं हो रही तो मैं law में जा रहा हूँ. But that's not true क्योंकि CLAT में 15 marks का maths है, and it's very important that you ace that because maths and GK will always be the X factor in the CLAT exam. क्योंकि जिनसे ये दोनों हो गए ढंग से, he will surely get a good mark and a good rank. Thank you, sir.
Good. So I think this is again very, very important. This thing, maths and GK, are very, very important because students at times neglect it. Maths is important. GK is even more important. So that is one. And second thing is taking mock tests. So the learning which I hear Aditya Bhatia mentioning, take mock tests. We have been very, very consistent. I have seen Shilpa ma'am, shouting in the class. Each and every student must take mock tests. Whether you have attended 1 month of class or it's a 6 month of class, mock test should not be missed. And second thing is analyzing a mock, which is very, very important. Nalin spoke about it. Akshat spoke about it. Aditya is talking about it. Yashasvi is talking about it. So everyone is saying, analyzing a mock is very, very important. And Nalin mentioned analyzing a mock takes more time than attempting a mock. Very, very consistent, very important learning coming out from there. Taking a mock and analyzing a mock, बहुत important aspects हैं. And I think that's what helped Aditya, ace this particular exam, right? Thank you, Aditya. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
On there, I know you have an interview coming up in a while for Symbiosis. You don't need it. I know that, but it is just a practice ground. So
Yes, sir.
just hang in whatever time you are comfortable with. Okay. So let me now invite the next candidate. मैं on a personal note इसको बहुत बदमाश लड़की बोलता हूँ, but ये बहुत अच्छी, बहुत sweet बच्ची है. She's a very, very witty girl. Father is an engineer, works with NHPC, and father has always been at a very remote location. Some कहीं पे वो Kashmir में कभी पहुंचे हैं, and most of the time she's here with her mother, and mother is also very tensed at times कि क्या होगा मेरी बेटी का, but very sweet girl, very witty character, and the name of this girl is Ayushi Singh. Ayushi is a student of Modern Delhi Public School, and she has scored a rank of 642 in CLAT. Okay, so this is where so I will request Ayushi now. So I will request Jitin sir and Ritro sir. So let's first start with Jitin, and then I'll ask Ritro to start with it. So I'll ask Jitin to start with few questions to Ayushi, and then I will ask Ritro to join in. Over to you, Jitin.
Congratulations, Ayushi. Congratulations, ma'am. It's been a wonderful day, and I think all of us are very happy to see you all reaching the places that you aspired to 2 years back. So Ayushi has been with us for 2 years, and Ayushi, a long journey, and from a school which is a factory of engineers and doctors. So अपने प्रिंसिपल को जाके US वर्मा सर को जाके अपना रिजल्ट बताना है, दिखाना है ना, and show that his school students are performing well in other fields as well, right? I think he'll feel very happy about it.
In fact, he wanted me to join medical, and he even made me join a medical foundation classes, and he said कि बैठो देखो classes, like you will get used to it, अच्छा लगने लगेगा, medical तो, but at the end I was very rebellious. मैंने कहा मैं नहीं कर रही medical, I'll take humanities. And जब भी कॉरिडोर में मिलते थे तो he used to be like कि कैसा चल रहा है CLAT, and रवि सर के भी जो son है, he is also in GNLU, so he used to make me interact with him कि guide her, इसने medical नहीं ली, इसने ये ले लिया, so he also used to be very tensed कि पता नहीं क्या करेगी, but at the end you all guys supported me, and my father has been very instrumental in my journey. He was the one who introduced me to law as a career, and he has been opening all the windows for me कि यार ये भी है, and he interacted with Deepak sir first day when I came into Career Launcher Faridabad, and they had a very tensed conversation. And Deepak sir
conversation. Oh बाप रे. अच्छा.
Deepak sir said कि अच्छी बच्ची है, ठीक है, and my father was also like कि I don't know anything about law, and अब ये तुम लोग की problem है, you guys have to handle her.
पापा को तो पता ही था कि इसको हैंडल करना पड़ेगा, ये प्रॉब्लम है.
And whenever I used to come into the center, Deepak sir always used to be like, और क्या हाल है? And I had a very informal relationship with Deepak sir and Shilpa ma'am. Whenever I used to feel like कि confidence हिल रहा है and things are going wrong, I used to ping Shilpa ma'am, and I was always like कि ma'am help me, and she was always there. She was always there for me, and the faculty has been very instrumental and as a catalyst in my journey. And I would like to thank Deepak sir, Shilpa ma'am, Niyati ma'am for helping me out. I had initially in my journey, I had been a jack of all and master of none. I knew everything, but I was not mastering anything. So you guys helped me out to reach the pinnacle of my performance. So all credits to you.
Very nice, very nice. But all credits to you first. और मैं एक चीज और बोलूंगा आयुषी. See, we've been talking in this session, and everybody's been telling planning is important, X is important, Y is important. मैं आपसे थोड़ा सा, if you could throw some light on it, कि 2 साल जो आपने prepare किया, how did you plan? Because the kids who watching you want to understand कि यार ये plan कैसे करना है, school भी है, and you've been in a school where the studies are strenuous, मतलब school फंसाए रखता है कि बेटा बच्चे को अगर पढ़ा रहे हो कुछ घंटे तो उसके डबल टाइम घर पे फंसने का काम दो. Still you manage to do self study and prepare. So I think you'd be the best person to tell them how to plan their studies and how to do it. So if you could throw some light on that.
Yeah, sure. Like as a student, I have always been chill. you know, भले ही लोग कहते थे कि do this do that, ऐसे ऐसे करो, and they used to put pressure. लेकिन my father, I got this from my father, you know, he has been chill in the right places, and I have taken this from him कि you know, अगर आप mental pressure लोगे तो even if you achieve something big, you won't be able to enjoy it, you know. So at the end it will all come down to zero. So मतलब कि जब मैं आई थी क्लास 11th में and I was introduced to this career law. I am a first gen, you know, I'll be a first gen lawyer. So there was no one to, you know, come कि हाँ भाई ये like ऐसे करके. तो दीपक सर and all, he used to tell me कि आप ऐसे कर सकते हो, आप वैसे कर सकते हो. He used to guide me. So in class 11th I was more on exploring, you know, get to know about yourself, ki how would you be able to handle law as a career, and get to know about the exam you'll be facing and what the exam demands from you. You know, the whole year I was focused on exploring. And at the end of class 11th, when I was entering in 12th, I was very certain. I knew my strengths, I knew my weaknesses, I knew what the exam's demanding from me. And like, the exam wants you to be concentrated for those 2 hours. It wants you to you know, comprehend in less time, and you have to build that skill over a certain period of time. It takes time, you know. And when an exam demands a skill from you, you have to deliver it. You know, there's no other choice कि कोई shortcut है कि हाँ भी अगर ये skill नहीं है तो फिर आप कुछ और करके you'll get to it. ठीक है, ये ऐसा बिल्कुल कोई एग्जाम नहीं है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गेट टू नो अबाउट योरसेल्फ कि आपकी स्ट्रेंथ्स क्या है, आपकी वीकनेसेस क्या है. एंड लाइक आई न्यू कि मैं इतना ज्यादा कंसंट्रेट होके नहीं रह सकती. ठीक है, लाइक मेरा नेचर ही ऐसा है थोड़ा सा कि मैं इतना ज्यादा कंसंट्रेट होके नहीं रह सकती. तो आई प्लान्ड माई मॉक लाइक दैट कि पहले एक हैवी सेक्शन, फिर बीच में एक लाइट सेक्शन, फिर हैवी सेक्शन, फिर लाइट सेक्शन. लाइक आई वाज गिविंग माई सेल्फ सम, you know, booster period ki haan, I am relaxing between my mock, I am relaxing between my exams, and then I'll coming back to my exam. And some mistakes I would like to share ki focus on GK, like Aditya told, like focus on GK. You know, it had been my weaknesses and it cost me in my exam. So just focus on GK, and GK and maths are the deciding sections. क्योंकि क्लैट में जो भी बच्चा बैठ रहा है, just be sure उसको लीगल आती होगी. ठीक है, लीगल आती होगी उसको, इंग्लिश कॉम्प्रिहेंशन उसको आता होगा. ठीक है, किसी भी एवरेज बच्चे को आता है. बट GK डिमांड्स हार्ड वर्क. ठीक है, तो डू दैट हार्ड वर्क, put that hard work in, and you will get results. Definitely you will get results. And जो बड़े कहते हैं ना, वो सुन लिया करो. Like
coming from Ayushi, it is huge. The rebellious kid, last bench में she used to sit and किसी सुनना नहीं है. I am my own person, and it's like, you know, I will listen, ma'am. I might think what you are saying. Say it. Class 12th में suddenly she has become, ma'am मैं क्या करूँ, कैसे करूँ, what to do and all. So it was like a huge, I would say, you know, different facets of Ayushi have seen. So अगर वो कह रही है कि listen to faculty, it's a huge thing coming from her.
You know, and faculty, and moreover your parents. Like my dad used to say कि तुम बहुत ज्यादा पैनिक कर जाती हो बीच बीच में. ठीक है, and मतलब like पैनिक नहीं होना है. And because that person has seen you from infancy, so he knows कि तुम्हारे, he knows you better than you even, you know.
Correct.
क्योंकि वो बंदा वो चीज देख रहा है जो तुम नहीं देख पा रहे हो. ठीक है, तो वो कहते हैं ना कि अपने जो तुम्हारा क्रिटिक है, you know, keep him closer.
Yes, very true, very true.
Arithro, GK has been a topic again. You know, Ayushi has been pushing hard. You know, we need you to come out with some data. GK की बात हो रही है. Before I move to Arunima, Arunima, I would like you to talk about GK. You know, break the jinx.
So first thing is, I think I had shared with you guys also. I hope Ayushi agrees with me. जिस दिन पेपर आया था और आप लोगों ने मेरे साथ शेयर किया था, lot of students shared with me the paper, and lot of students were like, GK बहुत weird आया है, but I instantly said weird नहीं आया है. We have covered each of these topics and multiple times, and I used to tell them कि this is more important and this is not that. जो भी है, मतलब I used to mark them कि star mark करो इस पे. Ayushi will remember that. Also
Yes,
so that was about GK. Regarding Ayushi, I fully agree with what all you said. in 11th when we used to have offline classes, she was, and her entire group, I think Ayushi आपको याद होगा, आपका बैच मेरे लिए नहीं सभी के लिए, I think 12 या 15 बच्चे थे एक ही स्कूल से, ऐसा कुछ हो गया था, कुछ ऐसा
स्कूल में तो इंटरेस्ट एक जैसे थे, लाइक हम लोग के नेचर एंड इंटरेस्ट एक जैसा था,
बदमाश गैंग बन गया ये.
हाँ. But second year, many of you, I think Rashi is another person I remember. She got
Yes.
very serious.
In
And
class
of course,
12.
Jasleen was there, and Ayushi. These three names I'll certainly mention who got very serious in the second year in 12th. So, and of course, Faridabad se, not from their gang, but Yashasvi and Akshat and Arunima, all of them, they got really serious in the second year. So yeah, thank you. I mean, congratulations to you, Ayushi. And yeah, you deserve all the credit now, and congratulations to your parents also for this thing.
Right. So I will two more kids there, which I like to invite them. So let me move on to Arunima now, and a very interesting story. I like to share about this girl. Very, very sincere, humble, down to earth girl, and the story started with Arunima. Arunima wanted to do law. And I get a call that sir मुझे तो law करना है, तो मैंने कहा अच्छा जी. So Arunima, student started lining up the interaction. So student, Arunima called me, lined up an interaction with her mother, and mother, as I remember, Namaskar ma'am, ऐसा मुझे feeling आया कि मामा को नहीं लग रहा है कि लॉ कुछ अच्छा ऑप्शन है अरुणिमा के लिए.
You're right.
Beta engineer, he is an IITian, beta. So
My brother is an IIT Kanpur actually. So I was going to follow in his footsteps, but फिर उसके बाद एकदम से change हो गया.
So Arunima said कि सर मुझे लॉ करना है, and Arunima ने line up किया interaction with mother, and I briefed. She said law भी कोई career होता है करने के लिए. So मैंने पूरा समझाया, बात करी. I think she was still not convinced, but at the end of the day,
She's
after
still
one
not convinced. She's still not convinced.
Not convinced. Okay. So मेरे को ऐसा लगता था कि I have convinced her, but she's still not convinced. And so again, one Zoom call, one telephonic call, and things like that. And मुझे लगा, and then possibly Arunima thanked me also. Possibly उसे permission मिल गया कि okay, I clear. I am going to sign the check for you to prepare with CL for law. So that is how I think.
Remember the story very clearly.
जी मैम, बच्चों को भूलते नहीं है, मतलब जिनके साथ बात हुआ है, जिनके साथ टाइम स्पेंड किया है. एंड लेट मी टेल यू मैम, आई वाज क्लियर ऑन दैट डे. आई टोल्ड यू आल्सो वेरी क्लियरली मैम, अरुणिमा विल गेट थ्रू. इफ यू रिमेंबर, मैंने आपको बोला था आप चिंता मत करिए, अरुणिमा का हो जाएगा, आप बिल्कुल चिंता मत करिए. So I told you that very clearly, because when you interact with the kid, you get to know that vibe coming out. It was her burning desire कि मेरे को लॉ करना है. आपने नहीं, पेरेंट नहीं कह रहा है, बच्चा कह रहा है सर मुझे लॉ करना है, मुझे रैंक लाना है, मुझे कुछ करके दिखाना है. सो जब बच्चा कह रहा है, so he's also or she is also responsible for that particular comment, that particular stand she has taken in life. So that's something which I can think of. So I will request Shilpa, because Shilpa has been interacting with you, so I'll request Shilpa ma'am to share this journey, and after this we will have Swasti before we wrap up the session with comments from Shivku sir. So another 5-10 minutes, I will request all participants to stay with us. Shilpa, over to you.
Okay. So Arunima, even ma'am, you've been there throughout, right from the journey and all, ma'am was trying her best to get into it. We had a lot of discussions other than Arunima ke saath also. So ma'am, what do you think, the whole journey, how was this whole process for you?
Ma'am, the journey was good, and with the constant support from you and your faculty members, we got a better insight into this. And this really helped me out to choose law as a career for her. Initially, when she told me, because I come from a medical background and my family is full of engineers and medical, so we never thought that law as a career. So this was totally out of the box. I still remember the date she told me on June 18, 2020, that I want to pursue law as a career. I told her, you just give me 2 days time, let me decide, then I will let you know. But still, it was very difficult to digest for us and our family members. Law as a career, it was really very difficult. But now, over a period of time and interacting with you people, over phone calls and over Deepak sir के साथ जब मेरा interaction हुआ, still I was apprehensive कि नहीं, she should not take law. But now, since 1 year का जो journey हो गया है, उसके बाद I realized no, this career is at par with engineering as well as medical. So now I have developed a passion for law along with Arunima.
Yeah. वो एक्चुअली बीच बीच में कुछ कभी कभी कुछ मैं लॉ के प्रिंसिपल नियति मैम प्रिंसिपल्स वगैरह कुछ बोल देती हूँ तो मम्मी भी आंसर करने में हेल्प करती हैं. So it's just that.
Now, Arunima, you will have a lot of, because in ALET mocks and all, you somehow were a natural, like, you know, it was never a taxing for you and all. So what were the mistakes you did and you would want to share it with our next gen, like, you know, because you would be the best person. The mocks and all you have taken religiously, all the CLAT, all the ALET mocks. ALET was something I think you preferred ALET more than CLAT, right? So
somehow people find ALET far more difficult than CLAT, maybe because it's number of seats are less and moreover the time frame is less. तो उससे क्या, and उसमें जो questions होते हैं हल्का सा math का भी difficulty level ज्यादा होता है, तो उससे बच्चों को लगता है कि it's far more difficult. But I have all my life I have given those type of questions rather than passage based questions, so I find those easier. तो जब मैंने पहला ALET का मॉक दिया था, I had 27 marks, only 27 marks, and that was the first paper. I did not know कि सिर्फ 1.5 घंटा है मेरे पास या मेरे को कैसे attempt करना चाहिए. The second paper I gave, I got 78 marks, mocks, the 78 marks, and then उसके बाद एकदम से skyrocket करके 119.75 marks आ गए मेरे. So और फिर उसके बाद 105, 110 से ही ऊपर रहे मेरे ALET के मार्क्स.
Always, I remember.
Yeah, तो वो चीज मेरे को और कॉन्फिडेंस देती थी. ALET के मार्क्स देती थी तो खुश हो जाते थे, CLAT के मार्क्स देती थी तो बस डिप्रेशन. तो थोड़ा वो हो जाता था. ALET was my forte, but एग्जाम वाले टाइम it was a good day, it was a perfect day. जब एग्जाम देने गए तो स्टार्टिंग में तो पूरा अच्छा जा रहा था. इंग्लिश वेंट परफेक्ट, लीगल वेंट परफेक्ट, लॉजिकल रीजनिंग वेंट परफेक्ट. देन लास्ट के 20 मिनट बचे थे एंड आई स्ट्रेस्ड आउट. मैंने अपना टाइम देखा एंड आई स्ट्रेस्ड आउट. मेरे को OMR भरनी थी, मैथ करनी थी, GK करनी थी. आई न्यू मैथ टू बी माई स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट एंड GK टू बी अ लिटिल वीक फॉर मी, बट समहाउ मेरे से मैथ वो उतनी जल्दी हो नहीं पाई एंड मैंने GK पहले कर ली. तो वो टसल हो गया पूरा, बहुत हैसल हो गया बहुत. तो उस टाइम पे पूरा हड़बड़ी में सब खराब हो गया. I did attempt till the last minute, but वो जो ALET के mocks में I felt comfortable doing, वो ALET के actual exam में somehow नहीं हो पाया.
And the paper turning out to be kind of relatively easier also. Like usually, you know, when we did the mocks and all, it was like that level, which was like the previous ones and all. And this year it was like suddenly a really easy one. So where all that mattered was like, you know, the speed. Okay.
I should have attempted math first, but मैंने GK कर ली. तो GK में सही हुए जितने attempt किए, but still I should have attempted math first क्योंकि I know मैं सारे कर सकती थी वो answer. तो वो गलती कर दी मैंने and it affected my result.
CLAT, maybe what will you you know, suggest to the kids? Like, you know, what all things they should avoid on a CLAT paper on the day?
Time management. Okay. Too much. Time management is the most important. अगर आपको पता है आपको इस section से इस section पे जाना है and how much time you should allot, कौन सा question miss करना है. जैसे शिल्पा मैम always says, don't try to be a perfectionist. तो वैसे ही just know when to leave a question, know when to attempt. आपको पता है आप ये कर सकते हो 1 मिनट में, then do it and just move on. अगर नहीं होता तब छोड़ो and then move on. ये मेरी गलती थी जब मैंने स्टार्टिंग में CLAT मार्क्स करने शुरू किए थे. I used to attempt every single question. I knew I could do it, तो मैं करती ही थी. मतलब मैं छोड़ती नहीं थी. मैथ में भी if the calculations were lengthy, मैं तब भी करती थी. तो if you know कि आप GK को स्कैन कर चुके हो अपना GK का सेक्शन, if you're weak in GK and GK स्कैन कर चुके हो, आपको नहीं आता है, then you give math priority और उसमें numbers खींचने की कोशिश करो, but otherwise don't put too much don't give too much time for every question. तो मेरे साथ was the problem कि मैं टाइम मैनेज नहीं कर पाती थी. स्टार्टिंग में जब CLAT मार्क्स देती थी So मेरे 20 क्वेश्चन रह गए, 25 क्वेश्चन रह गए, मैं पूरा जीके का सेक्शन, इंग्लिश का आधा सेक्शन मिस कर दिया. I used to attempt GK last में because इसमें you don't need to read the whole passage, you can just answer objectively. तो इसलिए मैं जीके लास्ट में अटेम्प्ट करती थी, बट समटाइम्स टाइम ही नहीं बचता था. वो लास्ट में जाके टाइम मिलने लग गया मेरे को, बट स्टिल वो एकदम खिंच रहा था टाइम लास्ट तक. I did not have that time to recheck my answers or double think my answers. So manage your time effectively, very very effectively. अगर वो कर लिया, क्रैक कर लोगे बस.
रिम्मा बेटा, कितने मॉक टेस्ट लिए आपने टोटल?
50, 56, 55 ऐसी कुछ नहीं है.
55 mock tests to practice. Right. I think that is what one learning जो शिल्पा I think बिल्कुल clear आ रही है. So the more mock you practice, more stability. One of the students has hit the, somebody is hitting a mock test of 70. Aditya Bhatia is on a different level. Took so many mock tests. I think he said 90.
90, yes.
He said 90 mock tests. He practiced before conquering the final exam. So I think the more number of mocks you attempt, it makes you more stable as a part of the overall this thing. Great. A very eminent personality with us. We have Shivku sir from Career Launcher Head Office. Shivku sir heads academics. He was my first mentor in Career Launcher. He, all the study material, all the mock tests, the videos, and a lot of content work which you see is the brainchild of Shivku sir. And Shivku sir is an alumni from IITs and IIM. I am Calcutta, and I think IIT Chennai. So I will like to, I'll request Shivku sir to share his insights about the exam and what will be the advice which you would like to share, sir, with the future aspirants.
Yeah, I'll also tell everyone he's my mentor who, I give criticism to others. He's the one who criticized me the most, and I have improved a lot because of him, the kind of feedback which he has given. So guys, that's my mentor here, Shivku sir.
Yeah, thanks Deepak and Shilpa. And congratulations to each and every one of you. Nalin's dad also almost exactly reflected what I believe about this journey. It's just the start of the journey. Many a times in our personal lives, we have seen that people who go to the best of the colleges, they decided कि अब हो गया, जिंदगी बन गई, right? And then the performance, the ability to sustain the performance, your dream college. The moment you say dream college, I think it's important to live your dreams there and not just waste away your dream. I think it's very important for each one of you to keep this in mind, that your journey has just started and you're going to enjoy the journey if you have fun, if you really put in your heart into it, right? Because what you expect in the world might be very different from what you actually see. But the moment you go and do a deep dive, you will always enjoy what you are chasing. So my first suggestion or advice to all those people who have just got into their dream colleges is keep this enthusiasm and hard work going, because the first couple of years is the most critical part of it, because that is going to decide what kind of a lawyer or what kind of a post-law career you're going to build. Subsequently, there are people who have gone into some of the best colleges. So people have gone to Oxford, people have gone to Columbia, people have gone and become, when you go to Columbia's or Harvard's and all those, then you can be what you see in Suits, right? So I think the dream is just kind of started. This is the first stop in your journey. Great. The second is, for all the parents and also for you also, law can be a great career. If you want that to be a great career, because there are so many lawyers, just like there are so many engineers, you only talk about a few engineers, only talk about a few lawyers. So the best of the lawyers probably earn much more than the best of the engineers do. So the question is, are you up to it to excel in what you are aspiring to? And I think everything is about hard work. Everything is about fun. Everything is about enjoying what you're doing. For the people who are, so this is the two pieces of advice that I have. Just keep this. It's just a start of the journey. The couple of advisors that I have, I think your friends have already, your seniors have already spoken to you. For those people who are going to appear either next year or year after that, the exam is all about managing your time. The exam is about managing your time, both for preparation and during the exam. That's number one. I think it's also about a lot of reading. It didn't somehow come through because all those people who have been effortlessly doing 120s and those scores, it's probably because they're able to read fast. If you're not somebody who's into reading, I think that's going to be a massive handicap for you. So, don't just run after things that you love to do. I think it's important for you to fill up the gaps. That's when you become, for example, Abhishek Bhatia, I think Aditya Bhatia said that he locked himself for 2 months and did all that he had to do. That's one way of priming up your preparation. So you don't have a choice what to live and what not to live. This is an exam, and if you have to ace the exam, you have got to be good at everything. So please put aside your tastes, right? I don't like math, I like math. I love GK, I don't love GK. You have no say in that. You've got to excel in every one of them. The moment you realize this, then you put in the effort, right? And that 900 pages of GK book can only come because somebody decided that this is too important for me, right? The last but not the least, right? Maybe I think I would say that there are times during your preparation where you feel low. There are times where suddenly you see that, you look at Neeraj's throw, right? I mean, yesterday you saw the javelin throw. The first one was a 87 point something, and his third throw or fourth throw was 76. So there are going to be days when you hit this 120s and there'll be days when you did 76. So how do you build that mechanism to pull yourself through is very important. And I remember, I think we probably didn't go through that. Somebody asked Nalin to talk about that one-day lockdown that he was recommended. Maybe we can kind of end this session by saying that, Nalin, what is that one-day thing? And can you quickly take us through that one-day lockdown that you did?
Yes, sir. So actually, sir, it was only 10 to 12 days before the actual CLAT exam. So at that point of time, this is the last thought that comes to mind, that you need to take a one-day full break from studies. So so at that point of time, I think my teachers, they recognize this. All of my teachers, they recommended that you take 1 day whole break, no studies, no thing. And then I had many reservations about it, that I know this, I only have 10, 12 days more to go. If I waste one more day, and maybe I'll not perform. But then I thought that, no, if they're saying, it must be right. They have a lot of experience and they've trained a lot of people. So I finally decided with a lot of courage that I need to take 1 day break. So I took that 1 day break. It helped me a lot. It helped me clear my mind. It helped me relax a lot. So I think it's you need to have your comfort zones. It's also in the paper and also in your preparation, that you need to relax a lot.
Yeah, thanks, Nalin. Yeah. So there are times during your preparation where you probably will have to enforce those 1 day lockdowns, because I think it's important to recollect, reflect on what you're doing, right? And if you don't reflect on what you're doing, I think whatever you're doing, probably it's not going to be as productive as it could be. Just like if you don't reflect on the mock and you don't learn from what you did in the mock, I think taking a mock is it's not just one activity that you need to take. Every mock, if you take for 2 hours, maybe there needs to be a 4-hour good thorough analysis. And this is something that we have heard from all the people. So, and Deepak has also been insisting on this again and again. Mocks, make sure that there is no syllabus. ये आपका CBSE exam नहीं है जो आप सोचोगे कि अच्छा ये syllabus खत्म होगा तभी मैं ये test लूँगा, right? There is no syllabus for this. Remember, the syllabus is infinite, and so you need to get off the blocks as soon as possible. So that's from me, and all the best for you guys. Have a great journey in your respective colleges. Have fun. I think It's going to really be worth the while in the colleges. For those who are missed out because of not doing OMR properly and all this, don't worry, right? Form is temporary, class is permanent. And I'm sure you'll make a success of your life. Thank you.
It's been a lovely time, great interaction with all of you. And I hope the aspirants, the people who are going to write CLAT next year or next to next year have got a good insight and good suggestions from all of you. And I think that is going to take them a long way. And we teachers or parents keep saying these things, but I think the ones who have experienced it in the past 2 years or in the past 1 year and hearing it from them makes a lot of difference. And I think there's been a lot of learning for the kids who are there in the session today. So all the best to the ones who will be preparing for the next year CLAT or the next to next year, and the ones who are there. I would say that as Shivku sir was saying, for you all, he said that form is temporary, class is permanent. I think that is the important learning. और इस एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन ने आपको मेहनत करना सिखा दिया और ये सिखा दिया कि रिजल्ट जब आता है तो एक अलग ही मजा आता है. So जैसे लोग बोलते हैं ना कि if you've done well and cleared an exam, everything is over, now you can enjoy your life. ऐसा मत सोचना. आपने एग्जाम क्लियर किया है and that is why you will enjoy everything that you do now because you are into it. कॉलेज में हो, लाइफ में आगे अपने करियर में हो, keep one thing in mind that whatever you do it with complete involvement from your side. ये मत सोचना पहले कि नहीं यार ये अच्छा है या बुरा है, because you learn from everything that you do, and I think that is what you've learned while you were preparing for the exams also. कोई सेक्शन आपका अच्छा था, कोई सेक्शन अच्छा नहीं था, पर जो सेक्शन वीक था उसने भी कुछ सिखा दिया और उसको जब आज आपने कैप्चर करके अच्छे से उसमें परफॉर्म कर दिया, तो आई थिंक सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट लर्निंग ये हुई कि if you give your 100% to something, you'll definitely do well in that. So I think with that, I'll end my note here. Thank you and all the best to all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
So thank you very much, Jitin sir. Thank you very much, Nanal. Thank you very much, sir, for sparing time, and thank you very much for giving us this space. All the very best to all the future aspirants. Bye-bye.